Question 5 is, which property of DNA double helix led Watson and Crick to suggest or hypothesize as semi-conservative mode of DNA replication? Okay, now Watson and Crick were the first scientists to say that DNA is a double helix structure. They found it with X-ray crystallography. And why did they say that it is a semi-conservative process? So we have got two strands in our DNA. Okay, two strands. Now at the time of replication, they get separated. Now this will become a template and the complementary strand will form. Okay. So from one segment of DNA, one over here is your template and the other one over here is your daughter strand. So it is conserved some or the other way. The genetic material or the strand itself is conserved, and thus Watson and Crick found out that the two strands of DNA have complementary base pairings which run in opposite direction. This property of DNA led Watson and Crick to suggest semi-conservative mechanism of DNA replication, in which one strand becomes the parent or template strand or reading strand, is conserved while the other one is formed completely new, which is known as complementary strand. Which is known as what? Complementary strand. So one strand is as it is and the other one will start forming around it. Okay. So that's the reason it is known as semi-conservative process. Okay.